We have some big breaking news coming in at the moment. A major mishap has been reported from Churu district where a fighter jet has crashed near Ratangarh town in Rajasthan, Churu. According to early reports, the aircraft is believed to belong to the Indian Air Force. Eyewitnesses in the area say they heard a deafening explosion followed by thick plumes of smoke rising into the sky. The sound reportedly rattled nearby homes, sending villagers in panic. Local administration and police team were immediately rushed to the spot. Visuals coming in from the crash site show debris scattered across field with security forces now cordoning off the area. Human body parts were found near the crash site. At least 2, including the pilot, have been killed as per the initial reports. I repeat, human body parts were found. Let's wrap up what we know so far. Fighter jet crashes near Bhanuda village in Churu, believed to be an aircraft of the Indian Armed Forces. Loud explosions heard, smoke seen rising from the site. Police, district officials and rescue teams at the spot. At least 2 dead. Cause of crash is still unknown. Rescue operations are currently underway. Teams are working to secure the wreckage and assess the situation on the ground. Authorities are also urging residents to stay away from the crash site for safety reasons and to not spread unverified videos or misinformation on the social media. What caused this crash, whether it was a technical failure or any other reason, remains to be seen. An official investigation has been ordered and will be conducted by defense aviation experts. But at this point, the priority remains on the ground rescue, recovery, and confirmation of safety of personnel. We will continue tracking this developing story very closely and bring you all the updates as they come in. Stay with us.